There's a way to dance all night in new or uncomfortable high heels. Even if you bought new shoes just before the planned party, trust me, you have time to stretch them out. The heels won't be tight anymore. You'll forget about blisters and sores. All you need is a simple trick to make the most uncomfortable shoes fit perfectly. Use zipper bags. Place these bags inside your shoes. Adjust the bag to the shape and size of the shoe, then fill them with hot water. Just make sure it's not boiling water. Leave the bags inside the heels for about 10 minutes. By using this trick, you can help the material gently loosen up, making them more flexible. This way, the shoes will better fit the shape of your feet, increasing comfort. When using this method, make sure the bags are sealed tightly to avoid water leakage, and don't overheat the shoes, as that could damage them. The heels will be looser and won't pinch. You'll dance all night in them. What tricks do you have for tight high heels?